everyone, how are you guys doing? So today I'm going to show you how to receive money from Alipay and also how to transfer money. Okay, receiving and transferring money. Let's say you want to receive money, somebody wants to send you money to your Alipay. What are you going to do? You need to send the person your phone number, or you can send the person the QR code. So let me show you the two methods, right? When you go to your profile, clicking on me here, when you click on me, you're going to click on your name up there here. So you click on your name showing there. Down here where they say Alipay account, so you're going to see your number. So you're going to write down your number the way it is. My own start from 44, then there's this dash, and okay, so where there's star, fill up that space, okay? And then you send the complete number to that person that is going to send you that money. Another way you can be able to receive money from Alipay is through QR code. You need to download your QR code and send it to that person. So you go back to your home. Then you click on pay. And then down there, you're going to see where they say receive money. You touch it. And then here, you're going to see where they say save image here. Save image. So when you click on save image, it will enter your gallery, and then you go to WhatsApp or Messenger, you send it to that person that want to transfer money to you, okay? It's going to come to your gallery, and then the way you send normal messages, you send it to that person. This is how to receive money to your Alipay. Now, how can you send money to somebody? Also, two ways you can be able to send money to somebody, right? You can send money through QR code by you clicking on scan. That means the person that you want to send money to will do this method I just did by downloading his or her QR code, and the person will send it to you, okay? And now you will click on scan. Then you are going to click on album, and you are going to see the QR code of that person. For example, this person now is here, okay? So if I select the QR code, it's going to scan, and I'm going to say done, and that is it. And then I transfer the money to that person. I put my payment pin, and then I'm sending the money. Okay, I'm going to do it live with you guys here. Okay, so that is one method. So the second method, let me go and show you the second method before I bring this one to the end. The second method is you receiving the phone number of that person you want to send money to. The person will send you his or her phone number, okay? And then you're going to click on pay up here. You click on pay, and down here you're going to see where they say transfer, okay? Transfer. So I touch transfer, and then you see up there it's asking me to put in enter mobile number, contact name, So I'm going to try to put the number of that person I want to send the money to. So let's do it. I try to paste the number, and it's going to scan it, and it's going to bring out the name of the person, right? So of course, I will advise you guys to ask that person that you want to send money to not to just only send you his or her number, but to please also send you his or her name, the way the name is on Alipay, okay? So you now select it, and it's going to ask you to it's going to ask you to put amount of money you want to transfer. So you put any amount there, and then you're going to proceed, and it's going to ask you, you're going to click on transfer here after putting the amount. So it's going to ask you to put in your password. Everybody will got this payment password. So this is how you can be able to transfer money to somebody. So now, guys, let's do a practical example. What did you guys want? Do you want me to do it through using the phone number, or do you want me to do it using the scan code, QR code? Okay, so let's go try QR code. I go back, and then I'm going to click on scan. I'm going to click on album. I'm going to go locate the person's QR code. I touch it. I'm going to click on done up here. So guys, it's trying to scan right now. If everything is correct, it's going to bring out that person's name. So guys, you could see that it was able to bring out the person's name, like the number. So the person's number is what I just showed you guys. It brought out the person's name, and now I use scan code. It's still showing me the person's name. So everything is fine. I'm going to put the amount of the person. I'm going to put the amount I want the person to receive. So I want the person to receive 7,130 yuan. Okay, so let me check where I wrote it down if I'm giving out the right amount. So I won't give less, and I won't give more. So guys, I'm looking for where I wrote it down. Yes, 7,130 RMB. Perfect. So I'm going to click confirm transfer. Okay, is loading. So it's showing me again, did I want to send 7,130 yuan to Hilda? Okay, the answer is yes. So I'm going to click on confirm. And now it's asking me to put in my PIN. So guys, you guys will not see this place now, right? Because this is my private payment PIN number, and I'm going to put it now. So I just put in my PIN. If everything is okay, it's going to show me done. So I'm going to click on done up there. And if I check my balance, let's see if the money has been reduced. Perfect, guys. I have over 7,000 here, and you could see that the money has been reduced, gone out of my account. So now I'm going to message the person I send the money to confirm. So guys, this is how you can send money to somebody. I did it practical with you guys. Thank you so much, and bye. Don't forget to subscribe.